If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Siddhi Ki Kaksha. So today we will be starting with the next exercise of quadratic equations, that is practice set 2.2. In the last lecture I had given the summary of this chapter, and in that I had told you all that practice set 2.2 is based on factorization method. So basically what is factorization method we will see in this lecture, as well as students in 9th standard you all had a chapter named polynomials, that was algebra chapter number 3. So there also you all learned how to factorize an equation. So it is similar to the the factorization that you all did in your 9th standard. Okay, so see, the first example is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equals to 0. Now what do you have to do here? First of all, see what is the coefficient of x square? It is 1. Here it is nothing, means it is 1. Then 1 into this number, 1 into your constant. Last time I taught you all the generalized formula of quadratic equation. I'll write it again here. That was ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. ये last time discuss हुआ था, correct? So when you compare this equation with this equation, what is your a? It is 1. b is minus 15 and c is 54. So first of all, the first step that you have to do is multiply a and c. A into c means 1 into 54 will be 54. Correct? That means you have to find the factors for 54. To find the factors for 54. Okay? And then next step, when you means what you have to see, the sign of 54. 54 का sign क्या है यहाँ पे? Plus. So you have to find such factors that on adding them you will get 50. Correct? उनको add करके आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए? 15 मिलना चाहिए. Correct? So what are the factors of 54? First of all, see, 54 is an even number, correct? So it will also be a fact. Just a second. It will also be a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 14 2 7s are 14. Okay? I did this because I thought that you all might not be knowing the table of 27. But if you all know, then very good. So it will be 27 2s are. Then it is also first thing is 54 1s are. Correct? Then what else? 9 6s are. Correct? So what I am trying to tell you all students is, now see, I am showing only these three. If you all get more multiples like in this example or any of the examples, you all can check all of them. But trust me students, जब एक बार आप लोग को habit हो जाएगा, so you will instantly find. Like you all won't be able to, like आप लोग को every time ये चीज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay? So now see here. What did I say? दोनों factors add करके what should you get? 15, because here the number is 15. So यहाँ पे see 27 2. So 27 plus 2 will give you 29. That means we don't have to take this factor. 27 plus 2 is 29. 54 plus 1 will give you 55. Correct? 9 plus 6 will give you 15. So this is your correct factors. So you have to take 9 6a. So 9 6a will give you 54 and 9 plus 6 will give you 50. Now what is the big question? What sign should we give to both of these factors, to both of these numbers? So यहाँ पे जो आप लोग को sign given है, that is minus. Always remember students, यहाँ पे जो sign है, that is given to the bigger number from both the numbers. यहाँ पे the bigger number is 9. So here, see, how do we write the answer? It will be x square minus 9x. इतना हो गया. Minus 9x, I told you that you have to give that sign to the bigger number. Now, if it is minus 9x and you have to get it by adding the numbers, you will have to add minus 6x. Because see, if you do minus 9x plus 6x, then it will be minus 3x. Correct? We have to get minus 15x. That is, we have to add both of these numbers. Correct? 9 plus 6 is 15. That is why it will be minus 6x. Plus 54 is equals to 0. I hope this was clear to you all how to do this step. You have to find such factors that on multiplying you will get the answer, that is your C, your constant, and when you add the numbers, that is add or subtract whatever is given, you have to check how you will check whether you have to add the factors or subtract the factors. Means you have to get the answer by adding or subtracting by the sign of C here. C का sign देखिए, you will decide. Then the sign of both the factors will be decided by B का जो sign है उससे आप लोग decide करेंगे the sign of both the constants here. Okay. Now this is the first sum, so it is taking a little time, but when you will solve it, like when we will do some more examples, it will be easy for you. Okay, so now here see. Now take two groups of 2, here 2 and here 2. Okay, so now here, what is common in both of these? X. So take x outside and here it will be x minus 9. Okay, x bahar liya and under it is x minus 9. Now, यहाँ पे what will be common? Minus 6. Now why I am taking minus 6 is because remember, whatever number you get in this bracket and the bracket that I will be writing here should be the same. So accordingly you have to manage your number or your coefficients here outside. Okay, so see, it will be x minus 9, correct? Now see this, if I solve this, it will be minus 6 into x will give you minus 6x and minus 6 into minus 9 will give you 54. So 9 6 are 54. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Always remember, first of all take group of 2 and then find the common thing here, take it outside and write this bracket. Then you have to make sure that this bracket and this bracket is the same. So the number or the coefficients that you write outside should be accordingly. Okay, so match this. When you solve this, you will get this only. See, x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 is equals to 0. Now what is the next step is, you have to write both of these together. X minus 6 and this is x minus 9. See, this thing x minus 6 together and ye do this bracket is repeated. So write that only one time. So x minus 6 into x minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. I hope this much is clear. Now you got two answers. This into this is equals to this. So that means x minus 6 is equals to 0 or x minus 9 is equals to 0. See, whenever you are getting something is equals to 0, like suppose b into x is equals to 0 if I say, so that means either x will be equal to 0 or b will be equal to 0, correct? Because any number into 0 is ultimately 0, correct? So that means, see, 0 into 3 will be 0, 3 into 0 will be 0. So that means either my b can be 0 or x can be 0, correct? So उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे either this number will be 0 or this number will be 0. That is why it is this statement, x minus 6 is equals to 0 or x minus 9 is equals to 0. So now take this here, x is equals to 6 or x is equals to 9 and that's it. That is your answer. Okay. So what does this say? Now why do we have two answers here? Because I told you this in the previous lecture also, that in quadratic equations you get two answers for your variable. Okay, so even if x is equals to 6 will also satisfy this equation and x is equals to 9 will also satisfy this equation. Okay, so when you will substitute x is equals to 6 in this equation, so you will get this also as 0. This whole term will get 0, and when you substitute x is equals to 9, then also this whole term will get 0. Okay. So this was about the first sum. Since it was the first sum, I went into much of the details, but from next sum ऐसा नहीं होगा. So we'll go a little fast from the next sum. So copy this down, और ये सब भी अगर आप लोगों को रफ वर्क चाहिए तो कॉपी कर लो या फिर ज़रूरत नहीं है. And then we'll start with question number 2. Okay. Okay students, so without any delay we'll start with question number 3. Question number 2 is for homework. वहाँ पे एक चीज़ याद रखना, the equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equals to 0. So first of all, compare this with the generalized form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 1, b is also equal to 1 and c is minus 20. That means आप लोग को minus 20 का factors ढूंढना है, जिसको minus करके आप लोग को 1 मिलेगा, correct? So keep that in mind and it is for homework. Now come to question number 3. So question number 3 says 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equals to 0. So when you compare it with this equation, a is 2, b is 27 and c is 13. Now the rule that I told you in the earlier sum was, what do we have to do? We have to multiply a and c. वहाँ पे a का value 1 था. So 1 into what was the number? It was 54. So 1 into 54 was 54. यहाँ पे it is 2. So 2 into 13 will be 26. So you have to find the factors for 26. Just a second. आप लोग को 26 के फैक्टर्स ढूंढने हैं. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ये मिस्टेक करते हैं, सिर्फ सी का नंबर देख के दे स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग द फैक्टर्स फॉर 13 एंड देन दे डोंट गेट द आंसर एंड दे गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. सो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर आप लोग को पहले यहाँ पे जो एक सेकेंड जो आप लोग को ए का कोएफिशिएंट गिवन है उसके साथ आप लोग को ये मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड 26 फैक्टर्स जिसको प्लस करके यहाँ पे साइन देखो प्लस करके आप लोग को क्या लाना है 27. सो 26 का फैक्टर्स क्या होता है 13 2 जा 26 1 जा करेक्ट. सो दिस विल बी 13 plus 2 will give you how much? It will give you 15 and 26 plus 1 will give you 27 correct. So that means we have to use 26 ones are. So it was easy to guess correct. This time I didn't go into much detail because now आप लोग को सारे steps clear है. So how we will write this 2y square plus 26y plus 1y. Now no need to write this one, you can even write it directly y, okay, because 1 into y is always y, so you can write y also, okay, plus 13 is equals to 0. Now first of all take common from here. सबसे पहले y तो common है ही because यहाँ पे y square है. First of all make group of 2. मेक ग्रुप ऑफ 2. ये आप लोग को इस तरीके से मार्किंग नहीं करना है सिंस इट इज अ स्टार्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज, तो मैं आप लोग को इस तरीके से बता रही हूँ, आप लोग को मार्क नहीं करना है. सो y कॉमन आया दोनों में से. नाउ सी दिस, हियर इट इज 2 एंड हियर इट इज 26, सो 2 भी कॉमन आएगा करेक्ट. y सी y प्लस 13 सी 2y into y will give you 2y square and 2y into 13 will give you 26y करेक्ट. सी 26 का फैक्टर्स हम लोग ने ढूंढा ना 13 2 जा. So always make sure that you check these numbers as well. Okay. Now I told you all that this bracket and this bracket should be same. So here it will be y plus 13. So यहाँ पे बचा क्या है? Nothing in common. So only plus 1. Because 1 into anything will give you that. Means if it is 1 into x suppose. So 1 into x will give you x. So 1 into y plus 13 will give you y plus 13 is equals to 0. Okay. So now just a second, I'll change the marker. Yeah. So now this will be together 2y plus 1 and this will be together y plus 13 and it will give us 0. Now separate both of these brackets. So 2y plus 1 is equals to 0 or acha don't write here or, in the last sum I wrote here or, you can even write and because we have two answers correct. So and y plus 13 is equals to 0. So 2y will be equal to, take this one here, so it will be minus 1 and y will be equal to minus 1 upon 2. Y will be equal to minus 1 upon 2 and here see y is equals to minus 13. Okay, so we got the answers for y. What are the two answers that we got for y? Minus 1 upon 2, that is minus half, and minus 13. Okay, so I hope this sum was also clear to you all. Copy this down and then we'll start with sum number 5. Sum number 4 is also for homework. So mark 2 and 4 for homework. And remember students, factorization method is very important because there is a high chance कि आप लोग के बोर्ड में एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ से आए. Okay, so copy this down and then we'll start with sum number 5. Okay students, so now let us start with sum number 5. अब sum number 5 जो है वहाँ पे सबसे पहले you all can see that we have a fraction here and even in linear equations in two variables I told you all that हम कभी भी fraction के form में equations को solve नहीं करते. So what do we do? वो मैंने आप लोग को linear equation के टाइम पे भी बताया था. If you all don't know then listen to it now carefully. यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर आप लोग के डिनोमिनेटर में गिवन है वो नंबर से पूरे इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो व्हाट विल डू यार, मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ बेसिकली ये स्टेप लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, बट ठीक है, यू कैन राइट इट. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन बाय 2, मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन बाय 2. सो दिस विल बी 2 into 2 will be 4 and 4x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus half into 2 means 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will be 1 and anything into 0 is always 0. So now this is your question. We have modified the question because we had it in the form of fraction. Okay, like we had the constant in the form of fraction. Now when you compare this, so it will be, when you compare this with the generalized form, so this is A, B and C. So for finding the number A into C, 4 into 1 will give you 4. So this time we have to find the factors for 4. 4, correct? And on adding we should get again 4. So what are the factors for 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 2 is 4. That means you have to take 2 2s are 4. Correct? So now we will take 2 2s are 4 So this will be 4x square. This will be as it is, correct? Minus, now see it is minus, so minus 2x. I told you that हम लोग जो ये माइनस मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी साइन होता है वो हम हमारे बड़े नंबर को देते हैं. यहाँ पे दोनों भी नंबर सेम है तो हम माइनस 2x लेंगे और सिंस हमें ऐड करके लाना है तो हम यहाँ पे भी माइनस 2x ही करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट? माइनस 2x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो नाउ योर मेक पेयर ऑफ 2 and 2. सो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले तो x कॉमन आएगा and your 2 will also be common. So it will be 2x minus 1. See, 2x into 2x, 4x square. And this 2x into minus 1 will give you minus 2x. Now we all know that we need the same answer in this bracket, 2x minus 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? ये माइनस साइन जो है उसको बाहर ले लो, minus 1. So minus 1 into 2x will give you minus 2x and minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1. अब ये सारी जो चीज़ें आप लोग को लग रहा है कि इतना फास्ट कैसे हो रहा है, विद प्रैक्टिस यू विल ऑल्सो लर्न. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मुझे भी बहुत टाइम लगा था. लाइक आई लर्न इट इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड ओनली, बट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडिंग 9th स्टैंडर्ड पॉलिनोमियल्स, सो अर्लियर मुझे भी ये स्टेप्स नहीं समझ में आ रहे थे. बट देन आई प्रैक्टिस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एंड देन नाउ इट इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर मी. लाइक तब से ही फिर मेरे लिए ईजी हो गया था. ठीक है, सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, इट विल गेट ईजी फॉर यू ऑल. Is equals to 0. So now this and this will be together. So 2x minus 1 and this also 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now here both the things we have same. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. इसको दो बार लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, या फिर चाहो तो लिख सकते हो. And 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. It is one and the same thing, but okay, ठीक है, you all can write. So x is equals to, सबसे पहले से 2x is equals to 1. So x is equals to half. Okay, and 2x is equals to 1. So x will be again equal to half. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you all. ठीक है, इतना clear है. So copy this down as well and then I'll teach you sum number 6. वो थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा कुछ difficult नहीं है, but उसमें एक दो steps ज़्यादा है. So I'll do that and then we'll see what questions are for homework and what I'm solving. Okay? Okay students, so now let us start with sum number 6. Sum number 6 says 6x minus 2 upon x is equals to 1. अब ये तो सबसे पहले quadratic equation के form में दिया नहीं है. We have to bring it in the form of a quadratic equation. And then we'll be able to solve it further. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, ये x को उधर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना. So it will be 6x square minus 2. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो 1 है ना, so ये 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया तो 2 into 1 is 2 upon x is equals to 1. Now this will be 6x square minus 2 is equals to 1 into x gives you x. इसको यहाँ पे लेके आओ तो 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Finally, we got it in the form of a quadratic equation and now you can compare it with the generalized form. The generalized form is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and here it is 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the value of a here is 6, b is minus 1, here it is minus 1, okay. Don't say 1 because you will have the sign here minus and c is minus 2. So a into c, 6 into minus 2. Don't forget, अब तक हम लोग वहाँ पे प्लस के साइंस थे, that is why I purposely took this sum. यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा, so 6 into minus 2 will give you minus 12. ठीक है, मतलब बेसिकली आप लोग 12 का फैक्टर्स तो ढूंढोगे, 6 2 is 12, बट अब इस टाइम माइनस करके हमें ये आंसर लाना है, माइनस करके 1 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12? 6 2s are correct, 12 1s are 4 3s are. Now 4 3s are 3 4s are is 1 and the same thing. अब इनको माइनस करके आप लोग को क्या लाना है, 1 लाना है. So see here, 6 minus 2 will be 4, 12 minus 1 will be 11, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that means we will take here 1. We will take this factors which gives us the answer 1. So we will take 4 and 3. अब सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे किसको माइनस साइन देंगे, तो मैंने आप लोग को पहले ही बताया ये जो साइन होता है वो हम लोग हमेशा हमारे बड़े नंबर को देते हैं. 4 और 3 में से बड़ा नंबर कौन है, 4. सो इट विल बी गिवन टू 4. सो द इक्वेशन विल बी 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x. अब सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन, क्या यहाँ पे भी माइनस 3x लिखेंगे? सो द आंसर इज नो. वाई? बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पे माइनस 3x लिखते हो तो -4x और -3x तो -7x बन जाएगा. हमें -1x चाहिए. -x मतलब -1x. सो यहाँ पे हमें उसके लिए इसको +3x रखना पड़ेगा. समझा? एंड दिस विल बी एज इट इज -2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. x कॉमन है एंड यहाँ से 2 कॉमन आएगा ना, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ द नंबर्स आर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2. सो 2 कॉमन. यहाँ पे 3x -2. अब यहाँ पे हमें 3x -2 ही रखना है. वी नो दैट. सो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? द नंबर इज सेम, तो यहाँ पे +1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. करेक्ट? नाउ दीज टू टुगेदर. सो 2x +1 and this bracket one time, that is 3x -2 is equals to 0. Okay? Now 2x + 1 and 3x -2. 2x + 1 into 3x -2 is equals to 0. So now here 2x + 1 is equals to 0 and 3x -2 is equals to 0. Okay? So यहाँ पे आप लोग एंड और मतलब राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कन्वीनियंस. एंड अगर पहले आपके स्कूल एग्जाम्स है तो जैसे आपके स्कूल के मैम बोलते हैं वैसे ही लिखो. ठीक है? वैसे तो ना एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन बट स्टिल. सो x is equals to, this will be, now you can write here directly. See, 2x will be -1, so x will be -1/2. So you don't need to write this step, you can directly come to this step. Okay, so x will be -1/2 and 3x is equals to 2, so x will be 2/3. X will be 2/3. Correct? So that is the answer that we got. X is equal to -half and x is equal to 2/3. So these are the two answers which you will get for this equation. अभी याद रखना ये जो है वो हम लोग ने उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लाया है. The actual question is this. So अगर आप लोग को फाइनल आंसर लिखना है वैसे तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट इफ यू ऑल वांट टू राइट, so you will write 6x - 2/x is equals to 1 has the solution x is equals to -1/2 and x is equals to 2/3. Do not write it with this equation. Okay? Keep this in mind. If you are writing the final answer, then make sure you write it with this equation. Okay? So copy this down and then we'll start with the next sum. Okay students, so now let us start with sum number 8. अब ये question जो है इसमें थोड़ा different चीज़ है, because जो आपका b का value है that is -2√6. सो उसके लिए फैक्टर्स कैसे ढूंढने हैं उसको ध्यान से सुन लो. सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. ओके, सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल compare this equation with your generalized form. So your a is 3, b is -2√6 and c is 2. So first of all multiply a and c. A into c is 3 2s are 6. So you have to find the factors for 6 जिसको ऐड करके आप लोग को आना चाहिए 2√6. ऐड करके आप लोग को क्या चाहिए 2√6. So you will say ma'am 6 1s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. These are the answers. But 6 plus 1 will give us 6 and 3 plus 2 will give me 5. So how will we get 2√6? So for that you should know this basic thing. I had told you this in linear equations as well. I don't know, मैंने एक आध लेक्चर में बताया था वो चीज़, but now I don't know आप लोगों को कितने लोगों को वो याद है. So now listen to this again. 6 is what? It is √6 into √6. Correct? 6 is √6 into √6 for any number. ठीक है? So √6 जैसे आप लोग लिखते हैं कि let's suppose 9. So take this 9 square. So 9 square is 81. Correct? या फिर ये एग्जाम्पल छोड़ो, I'll explain you in an easy way. ये देखो, हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 6 लिखते हैं या फिर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 81 इज 9. करेक्ट? एंड 9 स्क्वायर इज 81. सो उसी तरीके से √6 इंटू √6 मतलब ये क्या है, √6 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, √6 का स्क्वायर होगा 6. सो 6 को आप लोग √6 इंटू √6 लिख सकते हो ना. √6 स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट √6 इंटू √6. ओके, इतना समझा. सो ये जो √6 है, नाउ रिमूव दिस, ये तो हम लोग को चाहिए ही नहीं बिकॉज यहाँ पे 5 आ रहा है, तो इसको हटा देते हैं. सो लुक एट दीज फैक्टर्स. 6 1s are 6. करेक्ट? 6 1s are 6. सो यहाँ पे दिस 6 इज √6 इंटू √6. करेक्ट? सो आई विल सेंड 1 √6 हियर. एक √6 मैं यहाँ पे ले लेती हूँ, तो क्या हो जाएगा √6 और ये √6. दिस इज 1 ना, सो 1 इंटू √6 विल बी √6 एंड यहाँ पे एक √6 बचा है. So √6 plus √6 will be 2√6. समझा कैसे किया? यहाँ पे दिस वॉज 6 1 जा 6, सो मैंने उसको स्प्लिट किया 6 को इंटू √6 एंड √6. सो √6 इंटू √6 इज योर 6. अब ये √6 जब यहाँ पे ये 1 के साथ जाएगा, सो √6 इंटू 1 इज एक्चुअली √6. सो जब आप ये दोनों को ऐड करते हो, व्हाट इज 2 + 2, इट इज 4. सो उसी तरीके से √6 + √6 क्या हो जाएगा? 2√6. ठीक है, तो ये आप लोग को समझा. तो दैट इज वाई हम लोग को अभी फैक्टर्स क्या लेने हैं? √6 और √6. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग को माइनस साइन लगाना है. अब माइनस साइन हम बड़े नंबर को लगाते हैं, बट योर बोथ द नंबर्स आर सेम. सो यहाँ पे दोनों को माइनस आ जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट -2√6. सो इट विल बी 3x² -√6x -√6x + 2 = 0. अब यहाँ से एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ठीक है, सो सी हियर. अब यहाँ पे भी x एक चीज कॉमन आएगी. ठीक है, x इज कॉमन. यहाँ पे ना √3 भी कॉमन आएगा. अब √3 कैसे कॉमन आएगा वो देखो. √6 का हम लोग ने एक और फैक्टर निकाला था, दैट वाज 3 2 जा 6. करेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे 3 भी क्या होगा? 3 विल ऑल्सो बी √3 इंटू √3. करेक्ट. 3 इज ऑल्सो √3 इंटू √3. वाई आर वी टेकिंग दिस रूट कॉमन? बिकॉज हमारे पास यहाँ पे भी 3 है. सो हम दोनों में से √3 कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे एक √3 कॉमन लिया, तो यहाँ पे एक √3 बचेगा. सो इट विल बी √3x और यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? √2. आई होप आप लोग को क्लियर है. अब यहाँ पे देखो √3 इंटू √2 विल गिव मी √6 बिकॉज 3 2 इज ऑल्सो 6. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा होगा रूट सुन के, बट आप लोग 2-3 बार प्रैक्टिस करना तो फिर आप लोग को समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पे हियर वी हैव टू गेट द सेम थिंग अगेन, √3x -√2. करेक्ट. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? आप लोग के पास बचेगा √2 विथ माइनस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे -√2 इंटू मतलब -√2 इंटू √3 विल गिव मी -√6x और ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें +2 मिलेगा = 0. ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड अगर आप लोग ने टेक्स्ट बुक ध्यान से पढ़ा है तो वहाँ पे इट इज ऑल्सो मार्क्ड एज एस्टरिस्क मार्क वहाँ पे गिवन है, तो वो क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. नाउ टेक द कॉमन थिंग्स. सो इट विल बी √3x -√2 और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? द सेम ब्रैकेट, दैट इज √3x -√2 = 0. So it will be √3x -√2 = 0 and √3x -√2 = 0. Okay. So your √3x will be √2 and here also it will be the same thing because दोनों भी numbers same है. So here also it will be √3x = √2. So x will be √2 upon √3 and here also x will be √2 upon √3. Okay. I hope this was clear to you all. So ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है और शायद आप लोग रूट सुन के कंफ्यूज हो गए होंगे. So I'll do one thing. Whenever I'll post questions on Tuesday teasers about this exercise, so I'll make sure that I'll give you all the questions which are based on this type. So आप लोग का practice हो जाएगा. Okay. So copy this down and then we'll see further. Okay students, so now let us start with question number 9. Question number 9 says 2m into m minus 24 is equals to 50. सबसे पहले तो this equation is not in the form of a quadratic equation. So first we'll have to simplify it and make it a proper quadratic equation. So this will be, now multiply this 2m with this the terms in this bracket. So 2m into m will give you 2m square. This will be 24 2 is 48. So minus 48m. And take this 50 here, that is minus 50 is equals to 0. Okay. So now अभी यहाँ पे देखो, आप लोग इसको directly भी solve कर सकते हो, but what I'll suggest is यहाँ पे ये देखो, all the numbers are even, so you all can divide all the numbers by 2. So divide the equation by 2. Always try to make your question easy. So divide by 2. So this will be m square minus 24m minus 25 is equals to 0. ठीक है. अगर आप लोग को डायरेक्टली आंसर्स नहीं आते, so you can divide and check the answers. Now this is a simplified question. So now here a is 1, b is minus 24 and c is minus 25. So you have to find 1 into 25. That means you have to find the factors for 25. You have to find the factors for 25. जिनको subtract करके आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 24. Correct? The answer should be 24. So it will be 5 5s you all have, and 25 ones are. Okay, so these are both the factors. Now you have to get 24 by subtracting it. So 5 minus 5 will give you 0 and 25 minus 1 will be 24. Okay, so that means you have to take 25 ones are. So this will be, see here, m square minus 25m. Now you have to subtract it. So it will be plus 1m minus 25 is equals to 0. Okay, now see here, what you will take here common, so it will be m. So here it will be m minus 25. Now here you all know कि आप लोग को सेम ही आंसर आना चाहिए, so it will be m minus 25. तो बाहर हम क्या लेंगे, just plus 1 is equals to 0. Now take this together, m plus 1, and ये दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम है तो उसको एक बार लिखेंगे m minus 25 is equals to 0. Okay, so now m plus 1 is equals to 0 or m minus 25 is equals to 0. Okay, so m is equals to minus 1 or m is equals to 25. Okay, these are both the answers for m. That is, m is equals to minus 1 and m is equals to 25. So copy this sum as well and then we will see further. Okay students, so I hope that मैंने आज के लेक्चर में आप लोग को जो भी सम सिखाया है वो आप लोग को बहुत ही अच्छे से समझे होंगे. Now अब 3 questions are remaining, that is question number 10, 11 and 12. वो तीनों भी क्वेश्चन सेम टाइप के हैं. ठीक है, अगर आप लोग क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से देखो तो आप लोग को समझ में आएगा. ऑल द 3 क्वेश्चंस आर ऑफ सेम टाइप. सो एक क्वेश्चन मैं 1 या 2 में सॉल्व करके दे दूंगी एंड एक आप लोग को होमवर्क में दे दूंगी. But since this lecture has become a bit lengthy, so I'll complete that in the next lecture, because practice set 2.2 is only has, sorry not 2.2, practice set 2.3 only has 6 sums. So ये टाइप के जो क्वेश्चन जो हमारे बाकी है from 2.2, that I'll complete in the next lecture along with practice set 2.3. ठीक है, but before going, do subscribe to my channel if you like this video, then also hit the like button and share this lecture with your friends as well. Okay dear students, then that's it for this video. Thank you.